Previous tools helped create awareness around how focus determines outcomes and how the switching cost associated with multitasking can impact patients and relationships. You remember we discussed how people spend additional energy to refocus after each time they are interrupted or switch between tasks. Over the course of the day, work has the potential to deplete our energy. Sometimes we exhaust all our energy at work, and then when we get home, we are running on fumes, having little to give to those that give us the most. My question is, why can't we create a work environment that develops habits that fill up our energy tank? There is a famous study called the depletion model of self-control. In the study, the researchers placed a plate of freshly baked warm cookies next to a bowl of radishes and told half the subjects to eat the radishes and ignore the cookies, and the other half to eat the cookies. Both groups were then asked to complete an impossible puzzle. Generally, the cookie eaters were relaxed. One of them tried a straightforward way to solve the puzzle, hit a roadblock, and then started again, and again, and again. The cookie eaters just kept trying. The radish eaters, on the other hand, acted completely different. They muttered as they worked on the puzzle. They barked at the researchers. They got frustrated. Some of them put their heads down on the table and simply gave up. On average, the radish eaters spent 60% less time on the puzzle than the cookie eaters before they quit. Essentially, the radish eaters' pent-up tension impacted their ability to stay patient in other completely unrelated areas. This study relates to how work can be energy depleting over the course of the day, impacting relationships with friends and families. Be aware that situations and experiences at work directly impact not only how we communicate and lead at work, but they also impact our relationships with friends and family members. Over the course of the day, many things happen that can either deplete your energy or build your energy. Think of all the emails, text messages, instant messages, Zoom meetings, and things like that. You're constantly being challenged to switch from one thing to the next, which inevitably depletes your energy. While you can't avoid many of these, you can create habits that allow you to reduce the impact of your energy tank and even use these as opportunities to fill up your energy tank. So as you go forward, look at your communication and your interactions with others as an opportunity to build your energy and that of others so that you will remain fresh throughout the day and have plenty left over for the ones you love most.